right, the sketch of the day is a treasure chest, a circus, an eyeball, cityscape of a non-US city, you as a king or queen. I think I'm going to do a treasure chest, but these are the 5 drawing prompts for today: a treasure chest, a circus, an eyeball, cityscape of a non-US city, you as a king or queen. You can combine these things together in some way or just pick one of the 5 that you want to draw. So let's get drawing. The first thing I did is I drew a wavy line for my sand and then 3 vertical lines coming up for the sides of my treasure chest. And I also did another wavy line for it being buried in the sand. I did a diagonal line touching from the vertical lines, and then I did another diagonal line. I did kind of like a letter C for the lid and then closed that off to make a semicircle. I made another line on the other side for the end of the treasure chest, and then I did a wiggly line for the pot of gold. I wanted to make it look like it had slats of wood out of the material, so I did some lines parallel or the same direction to the sides of my lid. To show the pieces of gold, I did some lines to show emphasis or to make it stand out, and then I did little circles for the pieces of gold. I wanted to give my wood a wood texture, so I did some wavy lines, kind of to look like the grain of wood, and I repeated that on all of my wood pieces. Then I decided to add something to my environment, something around my treasure chest. I wanted it to look like it was on a beach, so I added a starfish, and I also added a little crab. My crab started to look a little bit like a bug, so I made some changes, but I made sure to add the big pincers. Like I said, this is just a sketch. If it's not perfect, that's okay, just to keep drawing. Behind my treasure chest in the background, I did some ocean waves. I decided to do a sunset in my horizon, or where the sky touches the water, and I added some rays kind of branching out.